Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's talk about the Jinja template. So let's see how Jinja techniques can be used in the Bootstrap and can render from one HTML page to another HTML page. And we'll see how to reduce the code of a HTML page in this video. So Jinja technique is the most famous used with the Django. So let's move on to the coding part and play the intro.
Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
So let's see the templates, the Jinja techniques in this video. So if I just open I'll just click onto the new terminal over here. So I'll just run the particular project. I'll just tell cd project and I'll just come inside the folder and I'll just run the server python manage.py run server. So once I enter this server, you can see I'll be getting a IP address. So I'll just right click and open inside my Visual Studio Code. So you can see we have done till here in my last session. So now what I need to do here is, suppose if I want to add same content inside the contact page as well as the about page. So how I can do. So one thing is what I need to add a navbar. Suppose I want to add a navbar inside all the HTML pages, like inside my home, contact, as well as inside my about page. So now what I need to do, there is a one way, only the one way is what? So whatever the navbar is there. So where is the navbar? So here is the navbar. So after insert as soon my body begins, so we have added a navbar. So I need to copy this navbar and I need to come back to the contact.html page and I need to paste it over here. Same way I need to come back to the about.html page and I need to paste it like this. Okay, so if you are typing the code, don't type it, just listen this one what I am trying to say. So if I just say here, if I come back to the home, you can see if I click onto the home page contact, I got the navbar over here. So you can see I got the navbar because the CSS is not getting loaded because I have not added the starter template. And same way if I want to add inside the contact page, even I need to do what? I need to go with in the about, I need to go to the about.html page and I need to paste the particular code over there. So we have pasted. So what is the thing here is, suppose in the future you have thousands of HTML pages, like you want to change, you need to add some of the code that should be there inside all the pages. Suppose if I open the getbootstrap.com itself, so you can see if I go to the documentation, the navbar is there. If I go to the examples, the navbar is present. If I go to the icons, the navbar is present. Only what is the thing is getting changed. Only the particular content of the body is getting changed, but the navbar is compulsory. It is there in all the pages. And title is getting changed, body is getting changed. Some of the things are there in the sites that will be constant. So for that particular purpose, we are going to the Jinja technique. So Jinja techniques, like suppose what I do here is I'll copy some of the code which is required in all my HTML pages that I'll maintain in one base.html page. So I'll just maintain that thing inside my base.html page and I will load that base.html page in my all the templates. So now what I'll do here is I'll just cancel everything from the index, everything I'll just remove it. So I'll just remove everything from the contact. So I'll just save all. So I don't have anything. You can see contact, about, and index is same here. I don't have anything. It is empty. I'll go to the Bootstrap documentation. I'll copy the starter template. So now I'll create one base.html page. Like I need to have the CSS link as well as the script links to load this Bootstrap components. So even the CSS link and the script link should be loaded inside all the HTML pages. Even it is also mandatory. And one thing is what? The navbar is mandatory. So that is the two things which is not mandatory. So that I'll be storing inside one new file, that is base.html. So in the base.html, I need to store it. So I'll just paste the starter template over here. That is a base.html page. Now see what I'll be doing here is, so here I will be applying a Jinja technique. So obviously the title will be getting changed in all the HTML page. To access that particular name, I'll just create one block. So that is a block. I'll just tell block title title. So it will be in this particular fashion. If you are not getting this particular styling, you can simply type it, or else you can just select a Django template over here. If I select a Django template, you'll be getting a suggestions. So I'll just save this one. So here the block title, like I can just write a only single line of code and I can access this line, this particular block, and I can just replace with this particular block with the name. So here the body, so it's inside the body, I'll just remove the h1 tag. So inside the body, what I need to add, I need to add the navbar. So I'll just go back to this one, searching for the navbar. So I'll just copy the navbar this first side, and I'll come back, simply I'll just paste the navbar over here. So inside the navbar, what I'll be doing here is, so now here I want to give something like ARK Procoder. So I want to add ARK Procoder as the particular site name. Whenever I try to click onto this, it should return to the home page. So here again I need to have a home. I'll just keep it home as it is. So anyone try to click onto the home, it should go to the slash page. And I need to add next link. I'll just keep it as a blog. So I want to have a blog page. I'll just mention blog blog. So my website blog. Anyone try to click onto the blog page, it should go to the, so we'll see later where it should go. So now again I need to add one more thing. That is a blog. So here I need to add the services page. So I'll just add the services pages. So I'll just add the services page. So I'll just keep it as it is. So again I need to add one more, that is nothing but I'll just add the what I can add. I can just add the contact section. So I'll just tell contact section. Then I'll just create one more. I'll just maintain it as about about section. So about us, you can whatever you like, you can just give it. So now I have created this one. I have added, I want a home page, blog, services, contact, and about us page. So inside the drop door, I'll just maintain or a new user. I'll just say like something new user. Here I'll just keep it as a login, and here I'll just keep it as a sign in or a sign up. So here I'll do something else, wherever is there, I'll just keep it as what, I'll just tell logout, something like I'm just saying it. So I'm just changing the content, and I don't want the disable link, so I'll just remove the disable link over here. So that be the search button. So the particular color of the search, I'll just keep it as I'll just keep it as a danger color. Okay, so that is a red color, and I want to change the particular navbar to what, dark color, and the background should be what, danger color. So I want to give, so I have set the navbar over here. So I want to load this particular navbar inside my all the HTML page. So what I'll do here is, after the navbar itself, I'll be writing it. So you can say, as I said, the navbar will be same in all the HTML pages. So here I'll just create a new, that is a blog. I'll just tell blog body body. So I have created a new, that is a blog body. So inside I can access the blog body. So after loading the navbar, I can add a number of things. Like if I want to add this kind of images, I can add by using any of the bootstrap components. So that thing I can add. So for that particular purpose, I am defining a empty block over here. So I'll just save this one. So next we'll see what to do. So once it is done, so now I want to load this base.html file. So I have created a HTML file, base.html file. I have added these many stuffs. So I want to load this base.html page inside my index.html page. So see what I'll be doing it. I'll just tell extends. Once I just in a single line, I want to extend what, base.html file. Just in a single line, I can load this whole HTML page inside my index.file. So you can see the code is got reduced. So if I come back and if I just go to the home page, so you can see I'm getting a particular stuff, like I'm getting all the things like home, blog, services, content, about, everything I'm getting. If I click, you can see sign up, login, and log out. So I'm getting a search button is getting invisible. I'll just go to the base, and you can see inside my app, whenever I request for the URL, that is for the home page, it is running an index function in my views. It is returning a index.html page. I am not returning here the base.html. So just the base.html I am just getting from the template folder, it is a base.html. Just I'm accessing that particular HTML file. So that is what happening. So if I just come back to the base.html page, so here I'll just give the particular outline as, if I can just give it as a light color. If I just give the outline to right, so if I refresh, you can see it is coming in the light color, right? It'll be fine. So now same thing, I want to add what, I want to go to the content. Even I'll say here extends, I want to extend the base.html page. I'll just save like this. So if I just go to the slash contact page, you can see slash contact, even the same thing I'm getting it here. So if I just go to the slash about page, I'm not getting anything. Same thing I need to add inside the about page also. So I'll just go to the about date page. So if I just save it, if I refresh, you can see even I'm getting loaded. So if I just come back to the home page, it is going to the home page now. So now you can, one more thing is what, you can see the title is not coming, and I want to display something inside my body. So I'll just go to the index.html page. So I'll say wherever there is a block title. So wherever there is a block title, so that means in my base.html page, wherever I have defined the block.title, that is a block title, I want to replace that particular title with this particular name, that is HOME, home. That is what is the home. If I say, you can see the particular thing is getting changed to home page. So same thing, if I just go to the about page, I don't have any title name over here. You can see it is empty. So that is showing the IP. So same thing, I'll just go copy this one. Again, I'll just go to the about. Again, I'll say wherever there is a block, what about page, wherever there is a block, wherever there is a block title, I want to replace with what it about thing. Same thing I want to do it for contact also. So in the single line, I can just change the particular stuff. So I can say contact, CON contact. So I'll just save the particular contact. If I see, if I refresh, the about is coming. If I go to the slash contact, you can see I am getting a contact as a title name. So this is how I can just use the Jinja techniques in this particular fashion. Now one more thing, I'll come back here. Now I want to come, I'll just tell block body. I want to add a block body. So inside the block body, I'll just say inside the h1 tag. So that is this is my. So I'll just tell this is my. So I'll just tell here this is my home page. So this is my home page. I'll just tell like this. So I'll just save this one. So I'll just go to the contact.html page. So I'll just tell again, I'll define a block body body. So again, I'll just say inside the header tag, I'll just say this is my contact page. Contact page. I'll just save it. Again, I'll just go to the about page. So inside the block, I'll just define a new block, that is a block body. So inside the block body, I want to add what? I want to add one more h1 tag. I'll just tell this is my about page. This is my about page. So once I save this one, you can see if I refresh it, it is saying me this is in my contact page. So same way, first I need to come back to the base.url. I'll just set the path over here. So anyone try to click onto the contact, it should go to the slash contact page. So see slash conct contact page. Anyone try to click onto the about, it should go to the slash about page. And anyone try to click onto the services, it should go to the slash services page. If anyone try to click onto the blog, it should go to the slash blog page, like that. And same way, if anyone try to click onto the login, it should go to the slash login. And if anyone try to click onto the sign up, it should go to the slash sign up. And here it should go to the slash, there is nothing but a slash logout. So these are all the things I need to add it over here. So if I just say, I click onto the home, you can see it is going to the home page. If I try to click onto the blog page, it is not going to the blog page because I have not added the URL of the blog page where inside my URLs. We need to add the blog page URL. Then we need to add a function for it. Then we need to create index that is a blog.html page. Then I need to render it. So that is why I am getting an error over here. So if I click onto the contact, you can see this is my contact page. The navbar is same. The CS is also getting loaded. You can see if I click onto the about page, even this is in my about page, even the CS is also getting loaded and everything is getting loaded over here. If I click onto the sign login, it is not going because I have not created the page. So this is how I can use the Jinja technique. In the future, suppose I want to change from contact to contact us. In the future, I want to change to contact us. So I need to go to all the HTML pages and do the changes. So this is for the very most advantage over here. So just I need to come back to my base.html page. So wherever there is a contact, I'll just tell I want to make it as a contact us. If I save and if I refresh, you can see it is getting contact us. Even if I go to the contact table, it is displaying the contact us. Even if I go to the about page, also it is getting the same. The same thing is been there. So here the code reusability concept has been came and Jinja technique concept has been came. You can see just in 5 lines of code, I can just access all the files. I can change the title and I can change the body. So what is this block body? In my base, for that is the purpose, I have defined a block body over here. So rather than this block body and rather than this block title, everything from the base you need to load it whenever I say extend base.html page. So when I defaultly, I'll externally, if I say block title, you need to catch and you need to replace with this name. You need to go to my base and you need to check where is the block title and you need to replace that particular thing with the whatever you have added here. Same thing, wherever there is a block body you find, whatever the thing, if I add it over, if I add 100 times also here, same thing, it should come and it should display inside my home page. You can see it is displaying it. So like this, I can say can be done like this. All the Jinja techniques can be used inside this stuff. So that's all for this video. We'll see the next coming concepts in my next video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends, and I'll see you in my next video.